Tips for making better decisions in life. Tip 1. Define your goals and priorities. The first step towards making better decisions is to define your goals and priorities. By knowing what you truly want to achieve and understanding your values, you can align your decisions accordingly. Take the time to reflect on your long-term objectives and break them down into smaller, manageable goals. Tip 2. Gather sufficient information. One of the pitfalls of decision-making is limited information. To make well-informed choices, it is crucial to gather sufficient information. Conduct thorough research, consult experts, and seek advice from trusted sources. This will provide you with a broad perspective and help you evaluate the potential risks and benefits of your options. Tip 3. Evaluate pros and cons. It is essential to evaluate the pros and cons of each potential choice. Consider the potential outcomes, advantages, and disadvantages associated with each option. This comparative analysis will assist you in making a more rational and balanced decision. Tip 4. Trust your intuition. While data and analysis play a crucial role in decision-making, intuition also holds its value. Trusting your gut instincts can often guide you towards the right decision. Your intuition is shaped by your past experiences and knowledge, so embrace it as a valuable tool in the decision-making process. Tip 5. Take action and learn from mistakes. Lastly, making decisions is not just about analysis, but also about taking action. Once you have weighed your options, make a choice and commit to it. Remember, no decision is perfect, and mistakes are bound to happen. Embrace them as learning opportunities and adapt your future decisions accordingly. Thank you for watching our video on tips for making better decisions in life. By implementing these strategies, defining your goals, gathering information, evaluating pros and cons, trusting your intuition, and embracing mistakes as learning experiences, you can make better decisions that align with your vision and aspirations.